Is up, guys? It is Danny from Cropped here, and I'm ready to continue. Oh my God. Okay. Got a crawler. Got another crawler. Oh my God. Come here, little guy. Come here, fella. That's right. I'm the boss. Don't mess with me. Alright, let's go. There we go. Some more ammo. Let's check in this burger joint. Oh my God. Oh my God. Shit. Get off me, bitch. Stop. Stop it. Stop that nonsense right now. Got all this cash. I need all this food. Raspberry cookies. Beef soup. What is this? It's a diary. Update for FedEx. Every man for himself. No survival instincts. Overrides can reason don't history behind the trigger. Those things just aren't people anymore. You can cry when this is all over. Dun 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 dun. Instant noodles. Can of ham and crackers. Can of soda. Is that it? Alright, let's get out of here. No. No. Alright, let's do this. Jumping. Ooh, boxes. I don't have that kind of space. I would like it. Oh my God. No. I would like that green launcher, but people to protect me. Thank you, people. Oh my God, thank you. So I have no idea what we're doing. I'm gonna check the journal. Oh yeah, we have to get to that stadium. Where death is at. Freaking spaz. Alright, there's a safe house in there. But I'm going to the stadium first. But there's one thing I am doing. And that is I'm checking. I'm going into this police station. Because I know for a fact. Oh my God, freaking crawler. You freaking suck. Oh shit. Whoa. Alright. Ready, go. Go. No, I died. Restart here. Well, now that... Oh God. Put my rock. Automatics. Alright, now I am effed. Because, first of all... my partner's dead, so I'm all alone. I get no more help whatsoever from these pieces of shit. So the next attack, I'm pretty much boned. Not really care about XP anymore. Most of them are out at night, so it was probably a bad idea to come here at night. Gotta crawl it. Oh jeez. You gotta walk it. Alright. Here's the gun cage. Unlocking like a boss. Oh, one dude. Get out of here, man. Sick police vest. M4A1. Yeah, now I can get rid of this piece of shit. This one that's like two like bursts, like they're like small bursts. Look at this, I'm 16. Don't need this pistol. Don't need no toy. Don't need no bitch. And the shotgun, .45. .45 and 2 zigzags. Maybe that's all we need. What's this? UN Pi 5 Tata. This is 13. This is 10. I'm gonna go with this bad boy for now. Alright, well, I lost my partner. That is sad, I can admit. But now I have awesome guns. And I'm scared shitless. Let's get to that stadium with safety. King will win, dude. At 400 something bucks. 7 point. Ooh, I can buy a riot helmet. I have no intentions on buying the katana. How much 7 point blah 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 do I have? I don't have any 7 point blah blah blah. No. Okay, I'm gonna buy this one. I'll buy one of these. Alright, let's see how boss I look. Riot helmet. Okay. Alright, I got a riot helmet on now. Get me up into. Oh, and I also had a. Where is it? Yeah, Kevlar vest. Alright, get myself some protection. Ooh. Money, cash, money, cash. Alright. Alright. So where am I at? Where's the Tesla? Oh, here it is. Ballpark Drive. Yes, the army. Yes. You got my gun, you hear me? I found it. Okay, head inside the studio lobby, sir. Alright. Oof. Okay. There should be light in here. Okay, Mr. Luciani. We'll add you to the registration. We're looking for someone. Okay. Looking for Bethany Luciani. No. There she is. Relocated. What the hell does that mean? The hell does relocated? Bethany's bag. What the hell is she doing? What's up? Good boy. Hey, that's her bunk right there. She got relocated by HERC, or HERC, last night. I can tell you straight, this place is locked down, son. They're gathering us up here. You wanna find your wife? You'll follow me. Meet me in the maintenance room for the men's bathroom. Okay, I'll meet him at this maintenance room and I'll finish the video. So, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. Hello, everybody. Goodbye. Sweet. Hello, Mr. Soldier Man. Doink. Private Ramirez. He's Mexican. You can tell by his skin tone. What's this? If civilians would have defended the city instead of falling into panic, it wouldn't be lost. That is true. Rest in peace, Gino Jensen, son. Fought off and killed 21 infected before succumbing to his wound. Oh, poor that guy. Man, I've killed more than 21 infected. Man. What's up, buddy? Ooh, okay. Good, we can speak freely here. They took my wife in the first round of relocations. Didn't say where, didn't say why. I trust the army, but I want to know what HERC is up to. They have no good reason to separate us. HERC has command post something set up on the other side. Reward 1000 XP. Ah, yeah. Well, I'm gonna take a nappy boo. Ah. And it's at 2:27 a.m. Perfect. Okay, well, I'm going to finish the video here. Peace out.